Okay, you know that scene in every sci-fi movie where they take a blurry photo and just yell enhance until it magically becomes clear? Ring essentially just gave us that. This is the new Ring Battery Doorbell Pro. It has Retinal 4K and 10 times enhanced zoom. Today, we're gonna see if we can actually enhance our front door protection, or if it's just Hollywood magic. Shout out to Ring for the review device and sponsoring this video. Let's dive in. This is the 2nd gen and it looks pretty slick. In the box, you get the doorbell itself, a mounting bracket, corner kit in case you want to install your doorbell at an angle, faceplate removal tool, charging cable, instructions, Ring sticker, and all the mounting tools you might need for various installations. Right away, you'll notice it's thinner than other Ring models and the deep silver coloring looks high tech but also kind of high end. Time to change the battery and let's get this baby installed.
All right, so I'm installing here on the left side of my door. This is about 4 feet, but I want to give some distance here for my door lock keypad. What I'm screwing into the wall just here is the angled mount. So this is going to make sure that rather than my doorbell looking straight ahead out my door, it's looking slightly on an angle to better see who's coming to my door. Mark on the edges. Perfect. Great. Now you can install this into brick or stucco or concrete. I'm just doing it into my door frame to make things a little bit easier, but there's mounting supplies included with the Ring doorbell if that's what you choose to do. I'm doing the easy version. So I've made my marks. Now I'm just gonna go in and screw this in. I'm just weak. Okay, looking good. Next, we have the mounting bracket. That's gonna go right in here, and we're gonna screw it in with the 2 small screws provided. And it dropped one, but I see it, so that's okay. This is what happens when I'm building PCs too, by the way. I drop so many screws all the time. All right. So now that I've got the angled mount and the mounting bracket all set exactly where I want it, I take the faceplate off my Ring video doorbell and I'm going to attach it just here. It kind of just like hangs on this faceplate and then goes right up against. Now there's a little screw hole right here and a little screw just here behind the battery. We're gonna screw that in so it's nice and tight, but not too tight. And that's nice and secure now on the door frame. So at this point, I grab my battery, which is now nice and charged, pop it in. You can see it has this quick release button so that you don't need to take the entire doorbell off when you need to recharge your battery. You just boop, quick release, that's nice. Then we're just gonna put that right back on. There we go, voila. Let's check out the view.
Installing the app is easy and it works with both iOS and Android. It walks you through device setup and installation, account setup, motion and privacy settings. Then, once you're all set up, you can see your new doorbell live view here. Okay, now to the fun stuff. The Ring Video Doorbell Pro has a live view and 2-way talk with Audio Plus. Audio Plus is Ring's way of saying better, upgraded audio experience. I like to use this to mess with my husband.
What's the secret password?
Jelly beans.
Identity confirmed. Please proceed to the 2nd station for debriefing.
I kid. There's lots of real world examples that I like to use this for as well.
Hey babe, can you open the door? I got my hands full.
Give me a second, I'll be right there.
I like that it shows full head to toe so I can see who's coming to visit, as well as if there are any packages or anything left at my door that I need to grab. And the motion detection on this is pretty cool. It uses 3D radar powered detection, meaning that it uses electromagnetic radio waves that bounce back to detect movement, distance, direction of objects with higher precision and less false alarms, even in wild weather or zero light situations. It's way better than heat detection and can even sense subtle movements like breathing, so you can't go undetected just by staying still. Okay, so now that we are in action/sci-fi movie territory, let's check out that enhanced zoom. So as I mentioned before, the new Ring Battery Doorbell Pro has both Retinal 4K, essentially 4K resolution with advanced image processing, and 10 times enhanced zoom. Using both, in theory, should be able to give us a detailed close-up view to, say, identify faces or read something we wouldn't normally be able to read from a front door camera. Let's try it. When you're looking through your Ring app using Live View and zooming in, or even if you zoom in on your saved videos from your history, you'll see this little enhanced marker in the top right-hand corner, showing that the behind-the-scenes processing is hard at work here. Looks like my security guard is also hard at work. I noticed this feature works much better when your Wi-Fi signal is consistent and strong, so position your doorbell near your router if possible, or you can get an extender. Sidebar, Ring actually makes a Chime Pro, which I should probably upgrade to, that not only extends your Wi-Fi signal to keep stronger connectivity for your doorbell and other smart home devices, but it also makes an audible chime go off in your house when someone presses the doorbell. Also good to mention, in case you are new to video doorbells in general, video doorbells do not make a ding-dong sound go off in your home automatically without some kind of separate device or speaker. You'll get the notification on your phone, of course, but these are two separate things. The more you know. Starlight. Okay, back to testing. Normally, we would never be able to read this teeny tiny text, but enhance. Now we can see I'm clearly hungry. You can even zoom in farther to see a neighbor walking their dog. This would be especially helpful to read labels on packages to see if it's that one final 3D printed costume piece you've been waiting for to complete your cosplay, or the new camera you've been salivating over to film your next YouTube video. By you, I mean me in these scenarios, but you get what I'm saying. When you get the Ring app notifications on your phone, Ring will attempt to identify what's happening in the clip as well. A little TLDR, if you will, or I guess TLDW, if you don't want to watch the whole thing. Do we finally have the enhanced feature of our Hollywood dreams? I'm sure there's about a bajillion other use cases I'll have for this doorbell as I use it more, and oh, let's talk about subscriptions. You do not need a monthly subscription to use the most basic features on this camera, like Live View, real-time notifications, and two-way talk. But if you want to be able to record, save, or share the videos later, Ring Protect Plan offers a variety of different options depending how many extra features you want, starting at $4.99 per month for one camera. I think that's everything. Now I'm hungry, for real. I don't know if it's Tuesday when you're watching this, but it's Tuesday for me. Taco Tuesdays for the win. Check out the link in the description for more info on the new Ring Battery Doorbell Pro. Like, subscribe, hype points if you got them, and I will see you soon. Thanks for watching, everybody.